Hi, this is Kevin. I'm going to show you how to get your Form 1095A online in less than 1 minute. First, go to healthcare.gov/login. From the login screen, type in your username and your password and then click the login button. From there, scroll down until you see the button that says Go to My Applications and Coverage and click that button. Scroll down until you find the year that you're looking for. Choose Tax Forms from the options on the left. Scroll down and click Download PDF. That's it.